What's up, guys? I just first of all wanted to start off this video by saying thank you to everyone that's been subscribing. I think we're at 64 subs, which is insane because we were just at 50 not that long ago. So I really appreciate all of y'all. Yes, there are some changes. I have a new webcam. I actually had to lower the resolution because it was lagging, but it looks good now, so I'm very happy about that. I got my hair retwisted, but anyway, that's not what y'all are here for. Today, we're going to be talking about Shopify and my success so far, and really how it feels to have made a decent amount of money online as a college student. I am 20 years old. I'm a sophomore in college. If y'all didn't already know that, you can check out this video right here. It talks a bit more about who I am. But it's honestly a surreal feeling. It's crazy. Like, I don't even really know how to describe it. It's crazy, but at the same time it also feels the same. Like, I kind of feel the same. Like nothing has changed. I also kind of, in my head, I'm really hard on myself, so it's hard for me to recognize certain things as an accomplishment. I sort of think of it as like, oh, anyone could do this, but that's not true. Not anyone could do that. Obviously, I have many more goals that I've yet to reach, many things that I've yet to purchase, like a new car and that sort of thing. But those things come with time. Just because I'm not a millionaire yet doesn't mean that, um, you shouldn't listen to what I'm saying, or you shouldn't keep an eye on me, because this is how people start out. Everyone starts somewhere. So yeah, man, I'm really excited to see what the future holds. And then I know I'll be able to make a lot more content for y'all as well. I am posting this video will count as this week's video, most likely. I'm probably gonna drop a detailed video, another informational video, on how to scale your store. I did tell y'all that if we got my recent video to 500 views, I would be dropping a tutorial on how to set up the Google Shopping ads that I use. And let me just check really quick. I believe we are almost at 500 views, which is insane. I did not think that we were actually going to be able to touch that. Yeah, so we're actually at 398 views. So make sure you run that video up. I'll leave it in the iCard right here. But yeah, I'm starting to, I think that every week I'm going to have an informational video, and then I'm going to have another video kind of showing my results and my success, and just talking to you guys so that it can inspire you, and that sort of thing. And eventually I'll be able to show you guys, what Shopify can do for you, what running a business can do for you. Running a business, that's how I paid for my hair today. Like, I paid, y'all don't want to know how much I paid to get my retwist, but that was from my business. Like, if I didn't make some of those sales, then I wouldn't have been able to pay that. And I would have had to continue looking ugly. This webcam y'all are looking at, I paid for this with my business money, so, good things come to those who work hard and to those who wait. It's important to be patient, but it's also important to be a risk taker. You got to know when to leap at an opportunity. So I really encourage you all to just get started. Start now. Stay consistent with it. It'll take you somewhere within a year's time. Like, it took me months and months before I even got my first sale on the store, and now we're at $31,700, I believe. We actually made it to past 32,000, but I had to refund the sale I made yesterday. I had to refund it because that item was out of stock and they didn't want to wait, so I refunded them. But yeah, that's where we're at now. I do have another sale that is kind of pending, so we're going to see if that person goes through with it or not. Hopefully I can convert them. That would be huge. I think they're trying to buy a refrigerator, so that'd be a couple $100 profit. But yeah, I really just wanted to give you guys a quick update. Get a video out for this week. I'm probably going to post another one later this week, depending on how my schedule is looking, because I've been super busy since school is coming to a close, and I've got a lot of papers to write and projects to do and tests to take, and it's just this whole thing. I'm tired, y'all. I can't lie. I am tired. But I'm excited because this summer and, later, Starting this summer, I'm going to be able to take YouTube as seriously as I want to take it. I'm going to be able to work on my business, and I won't be distracted by school for a little while. And then I don't know if y'all know, but my schooling is going to be free next school year. So that's pretty cool too. I'll have some money to play around with. Yeah, I think that's all I had to really say. I'm not going to make this video too long. I do want y'all to check out my main channel. We just hit 155 subs on there. That channel is completely for entertainment. So I play video games, react to funny stuff, that sort of thing. So if you're interested in that, hop over to that channel. That's the channel that I'm going to grow the most. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to catch y'all in the next one. Keep grinding. Remember, y'all are the grinders, all right? That's the fan base name, grinders. Keep that in mind.